That was the spirit of your eloquent speech to Congress 3 years ago, which deeply moved many Americans. I thought President Funes gave a very eloquent response to one of my questions during our bilateral meeting.
In his own peaceful, eloquent way, he made other people care too.
Well, I'll try to be equally brief, although not as eloquent. Some of you may have seen just last week, the Pope himself spoke about this at eloquent length.
I want to start by thanking Diane and her amazing family for all that they've done for this country and for that eloquent introduction and for being one of the many fabulous volunteers who helped make this White House so beautiful. In fact,
she's far more eloquent than I could ever be.
He wouldn't be as eloquent as Dr. King would be in describing that linkage. As Dr. King moved into mobilizing sanitation workers and the poor people's movement, but he understood that connection because he had lived.
I still remember your eloquent words when we launched this effort 3 years ago, and I'm very grateful for the role you've played and NGOs have played and all the leadership that's represented here has played in making this a reality, which is making a real difference in the lives of so many countries that are participating.
I want to thank her for her eloquent letter and speaking out, not just for herself, but on behalf of